If you are a beginner on YouTube and feel confused about what to do next, this video will make things very clear. I'll explain this step by step in simple language so you don't feel overwhelmed. Watch until the end because this is where most beginners finally understand what they are doing wrong. How to find video ideas that get views. One of the most common beginners' problem is not what to post. But the truth is, you don't need new ideas. You need proven ideas. I'll explain. Go to YouTube, search your topics, and look at videos with lots of views. Those videos already work. That means people want that content. Now, this is what you do. Come here. Don't copy the video. Copy the idea and explain it in your own words. Okay. If a video says why your videos get no views, you can say why small channels struggle with views. YouTube rewards ideas that already work. If you never know what to post, it's because you're trying to invent instead of improve. If this video helped you, like it so YouTube shows it to more beginners. Subscribe for simple honesty tips. And comment below if you're just starting or still struggling. I reply to comments. Thank you. See you next time.